Hello everyone, I hope you've had a really good week. Welcome back to our last home learning video, and I hope that you have found them all beneficial. Today we are going to look at fact families. What is a fact family, you might ask? Well, it's a group of math facts that use the same numbers when adding or subtracting. So today we are going to use three numbers. We're going to use 3, 4 and 7, and we're going to make 2 addition number sentences and 2 subtraction number sentences. Now I wonder if you remember how this works. Let's have a look. I've got 3 numbers, 3, 4 and 7. I can add 3 plus 4 and that makes 7. So that is my one addition number fact. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now we know that addition can be done in any order. It is commutative, which means that we can swap our numbers. So our second addition number sentence will be 4 plus 3 equals 7. And the answer stays the same because all we've done is to swap those numbers. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now let's see if we can make our 2 subtraction number sentences. Now I wonder if you can remember something very special about subtraction number sentences. That's right, the biggest number always goes first, because you can't take a bigger number away from a smaller number. So we have 7 take away 4 equals 3. So we can write our first subtraction number sentence. 7 take away 4 equals 3. Now we know that if it's subtraction, well, the biggest number must remain first. So I can now swap these 2 numbers to make our second subtraction number sentence, which will be 7 take away 3 equals 4. Well done. So now you have your 3 numbers so that you can make fact families of 2 addition and 2 subtraction. I'm wondering, I've got 3 numbers here. We have 5, 9 and 4. What 2 addition number sentences can we make with 5, 9 and 4? Now we know that when we are adding the biggest number, because we are combining 2 numbers, so the biggest number always goes last. So let's look. Absolutely, our first number sentence will be 5 plus 4 equals 9. Can you tell me what the second addition number sentence will be? Thinking about addition as commutative, that means it can be done in any order. You're right. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So it doesn't matter which way your numbers go, as long as when you combine the numbers, the answer is the greatest number out of the three. Now, let's think of our subtraction. Can you remember which number must go first? Absolutely. The biggest number. What number will you choose now? 9 take away 5. 9 take away 5 equals 4. And finally, your second subtraction number sentence will be, again, we must start with the biggest number. We're going to swap these numbers around. 9 take away 4 equals 5. So you can do this with your three numbers. So think about, you might make your own cards or just write on a piece of paper. So think of three numbers or two numbers. When you add them together, you have the total, and see if you can make fact families. 2 addition number sentences and 2 subtraction number sentences. Have fun. Take care. Goodbye.